swipe before. We on? We gotta get a swipe before you spaz. Where the swipe at?
Now this is a swipe for grind time, man, because they let Con and them get way more time on the hype time. Like, wait, hold up, hold down real quick, and all that shit for like 5 minutes, nigga. And they didn't let me do it for like 2 seconds, nigga.
Ah! 209, bitch! Oh! Get him, Todd! And you gonna spit the verse?
I'm gonna spit the third verse, and that's it.
You spit your verse, baby.
Alright. The third verse, they ain't let me finish. I should make this nigga's eye rip off. It's over for you with a slice, that's all. Cause I slice with the strength. They make rhetoric invite the law. Cases is what he likes to solve. Take him down for a rape beef. That's when he'll try and fight with y'all. Cause listening to my overpowering lyrics is something that wasn't right for y'all. I'm a leader. I make all of y'all niggas eat rice and dog. Some of these niggas be like, oh man, it's not that bad. It feel pretty nice in jaws. Fight with y'all? Man, hey, this the nigga you came to fight with, dog? Fight with Gnaw. Cause you defeating me was like telling a fucking psychic off.
Let's go.
You can call the police, but until they get there, you gotta fight the odds. That's because your corny style never gets the right applause.
Yeah!
Now I'm finna fucking freeze and build. Cause niggas didn't know if me turning into the things for real. Cause you spit the lyrics that Masons will fucking seek to kill. That's because his grandma looks like Steven Seagal. And his mom looks like Kim Kardashian. Wait, his dad looks like Kim Kardashian. And his mom looks like King of the Hill. Wait, I'll bring in the film. It's really not that decent to watch. You need them 3D glasses and a theater deal. Keeping it the real. Easy. Oh,
nigga.
That was too much. Like,
This is the jungle, bitch.
that's over a minute round. Like they would have chopped it. They would have chopped it and screwed it. Like way before that.
No disrespect to Baron Lay, though. They was pressed for times. There was a lot of shit happening. But yeah, he just had to spaz and get it out to.
Y'all gave Con like 5 minutes on hype time,
That
nigga.
was unlimited.
It was
unlimited.
I did not understand the time.
Got back to like. That's what it is.